बीजं मां सर्वभूतानां विद्धि पार्थ सनातनम् बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम् बीजं मां सर्वभूतानां विद्धि पार्थ सनातनम् बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम्। ओ पार्थ, ओ Arjuna, Arjuna must have said, Bhagwan, I got it. Don't extend this list now. I understood. I am here, this, I am that, I am. You don't have to go on. So Bhagwan said, Partha, listen, I have one more thing to say. But I understood. With thee, you understand this thing now. Something which you think you got it, but you didn't get it. You know, Bhagwan always has this different way of bringing some new idea. What is that? He says, Sarva Bhutanam Mam Bijam Viddhi. Understand me to be the seed of all, everything. So Arjuna said, I understood that already. You said, you are the essence of everything, right? So the seed is the one from which the entire expression, the effect comes out. So you are that cause and everything else is effect. So I understood why you have to further elaborate. So Bhagavan says, what is the nature of seed? When from a seed a tree comes out, bija means seed. When from a seed a tree comes out, what happens to the seed? So it is said it undergoes modification and gets destroyed. Right? We don't find seed after that. Arjuna said, yes, that's what I have understood. So Bhagavan says, that is why I had to say Viddhi. I am not the ordinary seed that you understand, which when gives rise to effect, it itself gets destroyed. Otherwise, philosophy from that standpoint would be, once God created the universe, God is destroyed. So, if world is there, there is no God. So Bhagavan says, I am not that kind of seed, I am Sanatanam Bijam. I am the eternal seed. That seed which was Sat in the beginning, which is Sat now, which will remain Sat eventually later after the dissolution of universe also. Sadeva Somya Idamagre Asit. So Sat alone was there, and it is said that this Sat is Saya Esho Anima Aitadatmya Midagam Sarvam Tat Satyam Sa Atma. That Satyam is the self which is even there right now as Sat only. What is the use of knowing that Sat? I have so many complications in my life. You don't know my problems. Sat may be there, so what? I am now worried about whether I will have job. Economy is going down. Recession is coming. So don't mix that right now. But understand what Bhagavan wants to say is that I am that seed which has not changed. It is avikari, and yet creation appears to be there. The effect appears to be there from the cause without the cause having undergone any modification. That cause I am. Arjuna, did you understand that? If you didn't, you better understand. So I am that avikari karanam. Avinashi karanam. Not vinashi karana, which gets destroyed. That I am. So just as in physics they have the law, matter can neither be produced nor be destroyed. Energy can neither be produced nor be destroyed. We say consciousness can neither be produced nor be destroyed. So if consciousness does not get destroyed and the world is created, from where? So we say consciousness appears as matter, appears as energy. Energy is nothing but matter in movement, right? Something like that I had studied, I don't remember now. So that I am. This in 9th chapter, Bhagavan is going to connect this idea once again. Actually 7th chapter and 9th chapter, they are connected. 8th chapter is suddenly in between Q&A session. So it is like a diversion. Continuation from 7 is 9, and that we can see, when we will see the shlokas. So this Bhagavan will connect there.